friends so nyama Hafsa antu nutu shi ka tuma bala hu aku ye na en kula do an yela do mangle mal aranu bwa so wala zo ka en chante nan la bi yari inti yene
kullan ban rangan dunya ngo kullan ban bana ba te yuma ama ka yo ban yara la ya yelo ko.
Okay, chekati azam pawt banam na za duma ngunam duka gase ngonte mina za sanya vile katon parta lan fedi ko pun kati akana te jinjimo pune ete za enfant dem bien zanti sambana nam kedi jimo kati piwi bolin sa tamal gare comme TV zo yulum bona abu moas zo mitin na katar ka anan zo son temala temabi dumo pune la te system ma nyala mun pande o man pam domi wonyala ngunye painter man yema de nala shipse kanye ka panye painter, and also she's very beautiful, very decent. Ka choose painting as profession. Just no cheka tamal mem dunya za bani tuma pambiene pa bagbana to tumle dende nan ka so biere pune ka amina nan de shema don to yi amfani zanzanta tinang la katar kanon zo son kamale madam Hafsa tudungo puni chekano marahabi piano Hafsa marahabi akulna that's beautiful. Okay, briefly mulenye Hafsa wala ka achang shukuru ye kabdua
Tamalongo kabadzuha.
Okay.
And in complete SS.
Wow.
The boutique kanda chan so catering kanda no. But nara ina ma catering mara mwe kama pastries mara guys system man. So that was 6 years, 7 years ago.
Okay.
Ka travel program sham also a volunteer.
Okay.
So katamale women empowerment, women security. That program
okay.
So after the program can to discuss it with Pama Undani Chama no sack.
Okay.
So can to you ye pay bunny
catering
can school but painting ye tirukunya kama paba kate organize taba. It was just an idea at that time. Kate me Payen miele, payen painting, payen tale, payen number shakam tile.
Wow.
Ye, wouldn't that be a good idea? Yes, it would be a great idea, but Nitunya Neroma. Then can you ye Nitunya?
Wow.
You so go lab office some days. Oil Nancy. So this past year, Mbugundola, so can call. Hafsa la eben man never discuss it with board man.
Okay.
She has to discuss
organization,
it
yeah, so yeah.
Before they can approve it.
Okay.
So never discuss it. So not to sometime.
Oh wow.
Within 2 weeks, kalang call. Ndaku call mahal ko I never discuss it, but fans na can support la ma. So na mama.
Okay.
So kan ko call halang ko disturb halang ko tepa decide no injure mama chani. Programs like Wali Bolga. So we don't talk about this before at the labna. So we don't talk to call no discuss with board but they are not doing anything around Tamale Metro. Okay. So if I want to join, then mommy idea I'll get somebody to train the girls. Okay. But going on no labna dena kutu no district Shama, Tamale Metro is not part of it. Okay. So Tolong last side no. Okay. And I'm also from Tolong. Wow. Wow. Brawums Malanimani. Okay. So I said, oh, I'm also from Tolong. So the Bama uncle no read then yeah, okay. So they selected 9 girls. Wow. And Kokolema, the 10 Kabovara. Over 10 girls, but Naima from that district, okay. Village. Okay. So they will take me because no Joluchan programs, yeah. They take me as a staff. Okay. So in Juella
La 9 girls.
9 pahla bazo.
So, okay.
But as part of Nosak.
Okay.
So that we did the shao then
Can you lean now? Okay.
As part of Nosak. When shao can problem journey, then they would tell me. So even menstrual health, they discuss with me.
Okay.
Can yell about nangu.
Okay.
So the could me later. The Naga program. La Nosak no program 6 months program.
Okay.
After that, then I went ahead and learned more.
Okay.
Because that kind of programs, sometimes in Nali, if you don't go into details, you will not be able to
acquire bounce and share them.
Like the Rakunyala painting, scheming was not part of it. So I went ahead and I learned the scheming and added.
Wow. And
Graphia to Bazaar. So I learned it, and after that, I started posting it on TikTok.
Okay.
And then I got small.
Okay. So, Pumpon, the way I apatum dia amama zompa, you are now a private person working in your own company.
Yes.
Okay. So, good. Before ka artisan la IDMAs and Toma, were you planning to take painting as your profession?
Yes. That was the idea. Yes, I already planned those kind of things because painting I like seeing buildings looking beautiful.
Wow.
And sometimes you talk with can you so young paint the color with this surrounding
wow.
The office or color one baby the graphia too. Wow. I always had the passion for that.
So things the time shemo I mean nirwalan ntumda be akonkonku ntumna atuma my voice ka ugbaza hanye power be daba
problem ba nyawe first I am being picky a guy as a boy.
Okay.
So first my was girls. And I chose one girl to test to see how they enjoy. So girl the rubber work out because tiku jana kuniga kan chantu mani ka call miji
ko tora
nchangla chi nchangla shepulu ntanang bani itu bela. So sometimes ko call mahal ko ba. So I decided to
so ara feel and kama te dabane gbone I pawe jetuma ikuboni idwa ka ini marke dirma onda pilla anda ko tre excuses ma aranya la perception ma
no mamias ni say kamza hamala o life ni bisham la ni o life nda. I believe that other girls are there that want to learn. That also Oba ku feel that ne faham banu den swangma. So maybe ngun baza den nda bala. Mbe believe in kama like pa baza ambilawo. Be ngun den nda ko bala.
Okay. So I tumde tuma you are doing it for money. Yes. Aside passion ma, so are you making money out of mama? And if you are making money, are you comfortable with the money that you are making?
And I'm comfortable with it because come out from head to toe man and dambani.
Wow.
Food. Bani usera XR man da kala arjant dambani. So I'm comfortable with.
There's something about 2,000 plus. Wow.
So I bought it myself. So I'm
okay. So Antum de Tumama, excuse me, you are beautiful. Can you pa? Can the painting? The nearby Tuzu Kavanya Kayo Antum the Tushema, the Bungmana, Kare, the Chanda Kovane.
But Yarmana, like Tuma Mvara Kamen, Tanya accident. I fell from the scarf. So, Katichanga Amreshen, last time my brother could be Nijilem, Kanzani Changa Amreshen, the 1 week, then I learned the 1 week, but Kalam Remakun Talato. Friends with Yamaku, Hafsa, Anthony Tushma, Katuma Bella. Uncle Yena and Kula Dwayne Yella do Mangly, Mela no voix. So we are kind of chanting on the lab and Yadi, Kabudu.
So
Me I already made up my mind. Like la me yara ma double. Double move for money.
So anandilema de cheka dabe to you come out because of you have your own profession can scare away from you. Be dile cham kare ter dabe so le cabinet to umrazam feelings in your share.
I wouldn't say it's scaring men away because I'm still getting approached. And even from Tuawana to Kushana to Tunsudene, but I separate my professional life from my love life. So Rinya Kama like abnormal. It's different from work.
Okay.
So if you are trying to
blend
my professional life is different. Love life is different. So money bit money. Then I labels oka kolema. Nka tuwa waru kundani.
Okay, so fine. Sorry. Abana manabiane. So I'm actually painting, man. That choose painting as your profession. But mama, are they happy with the work that you are doing? Be nyale karang man like happy ma.
At first, mother. Nara ku yilo ni yam vohanle rajo ay ma pam do de dabe zora la ba pasha banang de la ya ni so de ndang na mbe ye do ku ni so la tu ma na sa na nchele ni ko so ndang la caterers kam mi job ni so ni to take la apartment as in profession so ni so down ni chele ndangale so I sat her down and I convince her from onset when my father won't have problem about it.
Okay.
My mother wanted a kuluna scarf on zo. Kabazama bizarre para. La guy ma biradura luru. So could you lure the channel? Kabayibara. Orari kura.
Kaya no ora pun yellow.
Eh, ora yema. No rapin yelma. Number year and masham. And to that, nada luna scarf mazo. I was kind of abandoned. Banda I was like, I felt kind of abandoned because I'm taking you there to work. So if you have an accident, that's even though he tried a little, but mother that feeling that it wasn't about money. But like
only to no follow up healing process ma okay
avama be wula mpanyale up to now avama na bang ne dila ashe no den na bar gare ndira chante
tumna di shawa
so mother that feeling that after avama ko ra feeling that ndira no
natural so and on that feeling na lan ma are you able to convince Karlanche Kola ta so kanan la be una kuma la same feeling ma nyina na ko feeling na no
la kala same feeling because empanyar bjala rafu and sometimes on to ku jia kan to la are
wow
be like kanda lika waanle nzanga tazantu be iran chinchini
okay
in kunyala chinchino ka feel ka dia and she know that lar tumama punu kan yara al harma mada ngunne be shamagba an yi sambanne anti jibin zirguna gba kare ko bu mi bin zirguma ne yina shapulu kutili
wow
o be ndili
wow
ala yelo like oh program na kan chan because aliens ya ni nyala volunteer with other organizations
okay
and so nikuzang banzirguna she yelo organization mami go sa ku sango jiro da guarandanta no ko indala ban di kunye
betenya be mama da abandirguna
kan za to kayiro organization or program one kan chanka to tele kunanzi so my mother is not like somebody anji samba na tishisha oriendi na lo milare yina shi apart from that my father video magwa amiri bichi te yanga benda ku painted the face brana jinlan painted
wow
so I painted odu ka painted bani outside ma ka painted banjira paint la yilma za
wow
ka after maybe 2 months can I change the color And so he was very happy. First, then that painter, he was taking a video of me. Ngo kana area man, kanye new person, ka born painter. Oh, ndiwo painter. I'm my tumaga.
Zanto, wow. Then your father is really supporting your craft, and that's beautiful. Okay, check out going to Vocom Kalana. 10 years Sherman Bomba. You see, Pasha Bambe Sambani, you can equally do on the Benshama. It's not about Kabiani, Ka Ahipa, Abiha, and Motozo, and Nashi, Karanye Kama. You are looking for Dabshaba, Bangwaza Baby Hopune. Mpang na bang kalagre pierba agwana kunye pa ka choose profession ben shaka mas your profession na nya la de pune la ka te baba zasu te gwana kunye da mo te baba zasu na go za hanye pa ko gwa mai ben shanu la ka amino bien so have something in the ben shama I think on need support ka te daba cartoon te yina te tab song on share mo den chekare motivate Pasha baza habibi hopune karaba yuni nyarangoni ma kabugwana to chere pune kache irin huka min de taptama abe lolo kam dena gu chance ko jia TV guntin labna gare kom TV zongo. Okay, tu veux comme kalabna abe lolo kam gare kom TV zongo Hafsana nyala ngombe dungo pune. Hafsa, do you have a boyfriend?
Yes.
I'm a boyfriend. Wow. So a boyfriend, man. When I'm proud of to share antum the man.
I don't know. I don't know because that one Bishama is. I would say he's okay with it.
Okay.
But maybe he's planning that maybe after marriage or something like that.
Then you quit it.
A job or something.
So.
But even for to be frank, I don't know whether he and I will marry or not.
Okay. Okay. So painting as your profession, I believe you want to like as on a par Lokshapolo, maybe not only big company. Yes. And then you'll be able to employ a patawa. Kabugwaza hane to diramfane. If Sonia Mara, Karinyera atumama when yera mena chele, and then he will find something different for you. Will you agree to that?
That's a hard one. That's a very hard one because painting manguna, frankly, I love doing it, but be able to do it anywhere.
Okay.
So if I can train others to be doing it. So I can train others. Then I can just take them there, supervise it, and maybe get something that's maybe selling of paints and all that. Then your business going on. Selling of paints, something relating to painting.
Work now.
So that maybe girls big boys ban miliving yelengamani nyetumane to zambacha. I will just be supervising.
Wow, that's beautiful. So amama I mean you don't feel ashamed of your work. Karinya maybe ninsalam ne yarsham be nyi mama in a steady environment ma and I mean kujan to feel regrettable like ananda the bashama.
No. Because from day one I already had a plan of how I want it to lay out. So it doesn't affect what I think. Okay. Or what I do. If it was bad, okay. But this one is actually helping
society.
Society.
Okay.
And I have a lot of young girls that want to learn or that likes what I'm doing. And so in a way it's motivating a lot of people. So it's not something that somebody will tell me to stop and I'll stop.
Wow. Panya ka hanan the painting to ne hard point and yelle double take advantage of atuma ka bona man ba mai biya shere ni mama nda bora
in TikTok ma funan zang la number para because of tuma and when I kept it there I said business only but some people don't take it like that oh I'm calling ma karinya la kama like labo zuka call ma I'll give you time we will talk no realize that it's only for dating then maybe I'll know how to talk to you then kabo two people
kabo two ni
after that to stop it ama shab ko call ma unkuma guys so ko call ko text mama hal kan juira kaba gargu kana relationship can to message this is number no TikTok it's not for dating it's for work
yes
dinya kama like ni sabe mi daler na bishop maybe amrea ni tonya kama amrea ko wanu na but mbon wa in particular he's like come to my house do this do that I said I love you are not minding me like la ben yara ko sabaro so those kind of people oko in text mama has voice notes text messages katakpa ngala kama like I'm also in a bad relationship it's not my problems
can
attend to that's how he's taking it
wow okay so I'm a social media handles aside TikTok which other place ka son to bora ka contact her
my Facebook come my Twitter come my Instagram
wow this is how you didn't call you Zakaria Hafsa ka use this asa
but so, TikTok manguna Zakaria Hafsa 1
okay number shall be in KM Bolti maybe soon born or contactor going to Bola number 1
yes
okay to Bolete
054 30 83 666
la boy
054 30 83 666
number 1 dinan kai bona Hafsa amino non business kalabo business dinan ka bona painter yilta a store anything relating painting you can contact her so that konto non zanta dinan ka I am painting apartment maybe 2-bedroom apartment 3-4 alaka anato the
lama she kunyele because durma garata and anchudu not the paint it depends on whether it's renovation or new building so the price be because the new building the treatments be the old one karba treatments be so the price varies so I have to see it first
okay yeah I understand afana wesinye dene monumune ka abona puhini yeto adenka ko bona zampa ne apasha apata bambe sambane ka je bukata karkunya bedome wanga double lagrama denka example
there is a saying that there is a difference between enjoying your youth than destroying your future the man like kama like to mix la two one because I ain't kama like my enjoy around life maybe life when I to at any time
of course
can be chifa because the ku biane ka shagwaza ku be system map paaba kana obunun de ben shawo o zangla objilen na jam obunun de ben shawo from the start so o to kurgi bibi yen yoro la yitu abi
yeah of course
so anje ne bibile yala yitu abi ata zo ka bi yala anje shari nwo time won tuni azan anan ni muhabaha bo mashi
wow
kapa atu ko injima kanan aye be wura ka da
kanan aye this ayuela tema
so no matter how small the business is or no matter how people look at it then you come like the ye rabjala tra kuzanga zinni mo hanan
dinde pa huka
deep and very well
deep huka enya Maden ba niveau yo
kar kunya kama like anyira walagu nyare ne tunana ni mahbahara zo.
Wow, that's beautiful. I've been so.
My minimum father can go for any Nivaka could terbatuma. Believe that only to Nangle.
Okay.
Especially like so could be any. My guy is so going come not see painty, Juno Kanya.
Okay.
Ninya, Netatuma. So, to could like first time to estimate man now, could believe in a car like.
I should meet.
So, we are man, no kunajuma, no man champion, clan no, so. So, bantermatu mamaza hampu ya kapa.
Okay.
Because kaso kamza hana believe. Kazang otumazan tamana nantu hampu ya kapa.
Okay, that's beautiful. The tune so kamza ha United Top Song. I could my building cardboard painting when you contact him have sako cannot know zanzanta because it's not easy. It's not easy. Kanyeka pa ko njia mototebo ka okwen yisana kare mama mbore oyin nan sham ndi karmi pa tumbia ko tumna the tune to table song la kind of ninsal mo de cheka bia guma kar zuge tan wana pa bane bimale perception share towards them kala ben yahma karata deza ko tuchi ba anya kare zo ka pa ba za to mai banu tun bansan tunda anyam kare chembe akasa share kam tempon yare sham to ku zan sona piango ke te regretly habsana nan ben shama na song nda yare dinan ka ai bonne timina nan business buka kwara kabita man ka bonne timina nan business anto contact the number 020 282 0182 020 282 0182 anto contact manager ka mino difila ka kana tijin pion ka to kwa da bilguma nzantan teseloma etimi mail number followers change time share across northern region 5 northern regions there is no podcast program share den yare yulwente parte den you can do your background checks program kane in your views and parte program so dinan kanan the business the channel shepolo hate interessant ma lagre kata comprendre kamna kata mina non business ka ba yoltim de man panyame tenan de moma te maman data kata user stream ben yarama terma te bodir so lagre kanan do ben shachango de zodinan maka yultinya kata nan ben shawan mal anfana zan te biaguma be kar mal anfana zanta ka appreciate it to mama the boys number shamala 020 282 0182 and to contact la number I use screen mazo de paya and to contact le ka be anku mal ben sha and to zan de pune de party ka ta appreciate an number sha zan titima ne zan pion ka pu hafsa no nyesa piana du pune ka tetizan fano ma zan tenyama ngulum bone abu was jimo ka te pilu bol inside tamane zan production 3 manager onye Mr. Samad gare comme si yon balamane nir kam ndo jimo inshallah ti biere kare viala tenna la matazan jimo zon tenya assalamu alaikum